Hi everyone, I am Shankar. So from this video onwards, from today onwards, we are starting a new series which is very helpful for bank prelims and bank mains exams. It is not only for bank prelims and bank mains exams, also it will be very useful for insurance prelims and insurance mains exams, any insurance prelims and any insurance mains exams. Also, it will be very useful for local bank officer exams. Okay, yes guys, we are starting a new series which is called bank prelims and mains exams tips. Okay, so for each video we are going to share tips which is very useful for prelims and mains exams. Okay, for today I'm going to share most important tips for reasoning sections. Okay, so in reasoning sections we are solving n number of puzzles and seating arrangement, but not sure that those puzzles and seating arrangement questions are up to the exam level, or they are not for they are following the exam pattern or exam level or exam logics or exam trickiness, but we are not sure that. But in real IBPS exams questions, suppose if you are going to solve the puzzles and seating arrangement questions, the most important thing, please note that the most important tips for puzzles and seating arrangement questions for real IBPS exams questions is always start a puzzles and seating arrangement questions from very first statement. Okay, so this is the puzzle which is based on destination based puzzle. So in these questions, this is the real exam based questions. In these questions, suppose in real IBPS exam, suppose if these questions, if you are going to solve, or if you are going to face the same kind of questions, always start the questions from very first statement. Don't search the statement, or don't start the question from the statement which is inside the given informations. Okay, so this is the given information, this is the introduction statement of the puzzle. Okay, so what is the given informations? Like the person informations are they are belong to, or they are liking different things, or like that they are given in the introduction statement. So these are the statement you are going to solve the questions. These statements, according to these statements, you are going to solve the questions. So for real IBPS exam questions, you have to start the question from the very first statement and continue you are solving from sequentially. Like you have first, you have to solve the first statement, and then second statement, and then third statement, and then fourth statement, and so on. Suppose if you are not getting any point from the single statement, just combine the statement. Like suppose you already solved the first statement and second statement, but you are not getting and getting an idea from the third statement, just combine the third statement and fourth statement, you will get some idea to solve the questions. Okay, so this is the most important thing in real IBPS exams. If you are going to solve the puzzles and seating arrangement questions, always start the question from first statement. If your practice material is not following this method, they are, you have to decide that that material is not following the exam pattern and exam logic and exam trickiness. Okay, so this is the most important thing. You have to start the puzzles and seating arrangement from the very first statement and continue your solving the statement one by one sequentially in the given questions. Okay, so these tips is very most important tips for prelims and mains exams. Okay, so don't forget it. And also, suppose if you are want to solving the exact level of the question for prelims and mains exams, we are providing an PDF course and test series in Exam Rally website. So just open our website in your Google, and we are giving mock test and PDF courses on the real exam level, and we are following the method which is actually followed in real IBPS exams questions. For prelims and mains exams, we are providing an prelims PDF course and mains PDF course. In prelims PDF course, we are giving sectional based target, which is we are providing the questions on a daily basis. Suppose if you are scheduled your timetable on a daily basis, you suppose if you are going to practice the questions on consistent matter, consistent, you have to just go through just you have to open the rally PDF course and solving the questions day by day, because we are providing the questions on daily basis, either it is in prelims exams or mains exams. For prelims exams, we are providing the content on sectional wise basics. for any, suppose if you are taking any particular exams, either it is an SBI PO or SBI Clerk or IBPS Clerk, we are providing the content on the sectional basics on daily. So except the Sunday, we are providing the content on daily basics on the basics of sectional, on the basics of exams. Okay, for mains PDF course, we are providing the content for each sections. We are providing 10 questions. For suppose if you are taking quants, reasoning or English, we are providing 10 questions which is really based on real exam pattern and real exam logics. Okay, so there are lot of free tests, test and PDF is available in the PDF course. Just go through the questions and go through the PDF. If you are satisfied the free material, then you have to subscribe our PDF course and give your consistent effort to you have to give the consistent effort. This effort will be very helpful for upcoming exams to win the competitions. Okay, because these are the real exams questions. If you are practicing the questions on consistent matter on real exam questions, it will be help you a lot to achieve your dream job.